Welcome at the Giesen Amsterdam Tour. This tour is all about our capital city, Amsterdam, the place to be if you like to spot one of our Giesen roasters. In this series, we visit several coffee roasteries that share their favorite coffee to roast, their most popular coffee, and what it's like working in Amsterdam. To stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel and let's go!
Being a coffee roaster in Amsterdam is really interesting. The Dutch coffee market is really advanced compared to other markets, and this really gives me a new challenge to keep improving myself every day.
The feedback we give to Giesen is taken really seriously in account.
I first heard about Giesen before they even were producing machines, or maybe they were producing them, but they weren't available for purchase yet, especially not in the United States.
This when I bought my my first Sony, my first Giesen. I will never sell it. It will always be with me for the rest of my life.